Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Inside Rx pharmacy discounts app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Inside Rx is a pharmacy discount app designed to help users save money on prescription medications. The platform partners with major pharmacy chains like Walgreens, CVS, Kroger, and Walmart to offer significant discounts on both brand name and generic drugs. It's available on iOS and Android, and you don't need insurance or a membership to access savings. The app's main feature is its discount card system. You simply search for your prescribed medication, compare prices at local pharmacies, and show your Inside Rx discount card at checkout to get the lower price. The app updates prices regularly, making it easier to find the best deals in your area. Inside Rx also provides detailed information about medications, including dosage options and participating pharmacies nearby. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the instant price comparison feature and the app's ability to provide real savings, sometimes up to 80% off retail costs. It's especially helpful for those without insurance or for medications not covered by their plans. The app is praised for its simplicity, transparent pricing, and wide pharmacy network. However, there are some drawbacks. Discounts may vary depending on location and medication, and not all pharmacies always honor the same rates. The app also depends on consistent data updates, so occasionally, listed prices might differ slightly at checkout. Additionally, since it's not insurance, you can't combine it with insurance copays or other savings programs. In summary, the Inside Rx app may be worth using if you want a quick and reliable way to save on prescriptions, compare local pharmacy prices, and access free discount cards without sign-up fees. However, if your insurance already covers most of your medications or you prefer using one pharmacy consistently, the benefits might be less impactful. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.